So here we are, lightning, let's see, 15, almost 16 miles away, straight north, right here. And I'll show you that in a second. 12:06 noon. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at, this is, okay, I'll show you. See that? There it is. See, this is a pattern. If we have a good thunderstorm day, but it doesn't hit us directly, meaning really loud, then the next day it'll start a lot earlier. See, this is vertical. It's probably over in here somewhere. Yeah, this is north. See, look at those towers. I mean, even the towers are like, they're more vertical than they were yesterday. So we're going to get something. This is northeast. That's east. I'm going to watch this one. See, it happens like this every day until we get a direct hit, and then it stabilizes afterward.